Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
We're just about to head into another one of our Waco Police Department Police Academy meetings, but we're going to make it short and sweet for y'all because we got things to do and places to be.
That's right.
But let's get into our hot topics. We're going to make these short.
Starting off with our first hot topic, Jamie Foxx is still in recovery, and we wish him a speedy recovery. But that's all we're going to say on that topic. Make sure you guys go and see some great movies. IK and I have seen pretty much everything in the theater. If you've been keeping up with our Instagram, roseandgold.us, we go to the movie theater every single day. We've already watched Air Jordan, about the Jordans and the Nike with
Matt Damon as well as Ben Affleck. We also watched Dungeons & Dragons, the new Covenant with Guy Ritchie, and also all of the other films. But let's get into our She's Hot contest. And our winner for this week is none other than
Miss Brooke Shields. Congratulations on your win for this She's Hot contest, Miss Brooke Shields. Congratulations. And we're going to go ahead and get to our class, and these are all of our hot topics for today. Make sure to stay tuned on all of our books that we are writing. We're coming out with a new one on gun violence, so make sure to stay up to date so that you can know where to purchase that. And we out. Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and IK is not here right now because he's shaking it and baking it and he's making money. And that's exactly what we encourage our followers to do. Make sure you always stay up to date on our new episodes at our Instagram, roseandgold.us, and let's get into these hot topics. Starting it off with our first hot topic, we're going to go ahead and mention Jamie Foxx. Now, IK and I mentioned Jamie Foxx the other day at our police academy before our class, but here's an update on the Jamie Foxx situation. So allegedly, fans have jumped and speculated that allegedly the person that has poisoned him, made him ill, whatever, is none other than Puff Daddy. Now, we don't know how true this is because Puff Daddy's already in a lot of hot water, so why would he go after another celebrity like this when he's already in hot water? That would just make them target him more, but that's just my personal opinion. Fans are speculating that the reason that it is Puff Daddy is because Jamie Foxx openly just came out with this video. We're gonna put it right here.
Yo, Fox and I came. What? Puff sitting there. So it's kind of, I'm like, damn, this shit is crazy, man. Huh? So what I did was, I would show up to the party in my little, in a little town car. This town, you know, I grabbed me a town car so I could skirt. Puff the SUVs and the Bentleys, the whole night. He get out. I get out too with a camera. The big Canon, like, yo, Puff, I should document this shit, right? Yo, what's up, Playboy? What you talking about? I said, no, I should get this, man. You, Fonz, the whole nine. He says, yeah, let him through. Excuse me. So I get this. But at that time, it wasn't like the little camera y'all got. It was the big intrusive Canon. I had a battery pack. Hold on, man. Let me change the pack. Put my light on here. Do that again, Puff. Do that again. I missed that one. Do that again. Put the pack. So I started following him. So I followed him the whole time. I don't remember watching Puff at the Beverly Hills Hotel. I'm filming this. And it's a pool party that is ridiculous, man.
Where he was talking about exposing all of Puff Daddy's secrets because that is one of his close time friends for a long time, and he is exposing this. Now, my personal opinion on this, we all know that Jamie Foxx and Puff Daddy have been friends for a long time. You would have known, if you were saying that Puff Daddy's in the closet, whatever, you would have known that about your friend since the beginning for a very long time if you guys claim to be this close as friends. And second, why are you coming out with this now? If he is such a good friend, why are you exposing this about his parties and exposing everything about him now, unless they had like an argument or unless they're no longer friends anymore? But that's just celebrities, Hollywood, there's always some type of drama. So let's get into our next hot topic though. For our next hot topic, Taylor Swift, the whole album where she went completely quiet, all of her songs were calm and mellow. Clearly she is back and getting back on the scandalous track because Taylor Swift just recently broke up with her fiance, and we saw this coming because her fiance was doing a entire show in London where he was basically sleeping with another woman every single episode, and he said in the statement where we all saw that interviewer had asked him that important question, how Taylor felt about it, and Taylor didn't respond on that, but her fiance said that she is completely supportive of it, and I guess she's not supportive of it because now they are broken up. And actually, here's a photo of what he looks like. Here's a photo of what he looks like after the breakup. And then here's what Taylor looks like after the breakup, having a ton of fun and hanging out with Ryan Reynolds and his wife. So this next Taylor album is going to be amazing. Let's get into our next hot topic, starting it off with Salma Hayek is going to be in the new season of Black Mirror. It's going to be season 6. If you haven't seen Black Mirror before, go watch it. It is going to be incredible. I'm very excited for this next season because it is a horror classic, and I hope that IK and I can audition for this next season. Look forward to that. And as well as the Twilight. We hear that there's a new Twilight in the works, so you might see IK and I in that soon. So we're really excited about that. I don't know if they're going to be bringing back the old cast to complete the Twilight series again, but they might be bringing out an all-new cast, and I would love to see that because we want something fresh and we want something new, like IK and I. Next vampires. On to our next and final hot topic. Ed Sheeran is in court right now because Marvin Gaye's family said that his song, we'll put the clip in right here, sounds way too similar to Marvin Gaye's song. My personal opinion is a thumbs down. Marvin Gaye's family sues every single person for a song that sounds like Marvin Gaye. At this point, we have to tell his family, have they ever heard of the radio? Sometimes artists, especially creative artists, they hear something on the radio and it sticks in their mind, and when they make another song, it's stuck in their head and they continue. I don't think Ed Sheeran explicitly copied Marvin Gaye, and even if he did, artists copy all the time. And it's respect to Marvin Gaye because he took his song and made it something beautiful. If you can actually ask Ed Sheeran if he will maybe share the amount of money that you're getting from this song instead of just completely suing him and trying to take everything from that song. That's just greedy. On to our next and final hot topic. We have the She's Hot Contest winner. Now, Miss Kelly Ripa is our She's Hot Contest winner for this week. Congratulations, Miss Kelly Ripa. And we've had you as the She's Hot Contest winner before, but you are going to be chosen for a second time because the studio and the co-host love you so much. As well as we see that you're taking a new direction with the Kelly and Ryan show. Ryan has recently stepped down, and Ryan was hilarious, but we're now doing it with Mark, and you have a lot of other co-hosts lining up. IK and I would love to play in the position of the new spot with Kelly, and we would love that because that would be so much fun. But yes, once again, congratulations, Miss Kelly Ripa, for your win for the She's Hot Contest. I've recently written some more books, and I do have another book on the way. So, and I know that my followers know that because it's all over our Instagram. We will also be posting this book immediately as it is published. IK also has a book coming up called The Body by Design. That's in the publishing house right now. It's getting edited. It's completely done. We're excited for that to come out because that's going to be a big one. That is all about IK and his steps to keeping his body, lifestyle, and mindset in check, as well as who has been an inspiration for him. There's going to be some big names in there, so stay tuned for that. These were all of our hot topics today, and this was Rose and Gold. Out.